Bend down, duck down. Ow.
Hello guys, the Rutgers Ecological Preserve is actually a wonderful place. Do not disregard as a small trail system. It's well suited for fixed gear, hardtail or even gravel. Or if you want to build general endurance, you can keep at a constant pace and keep pedaling away. I'm on my 2015 Mondraker Fox XR converted to a single speed. I just want to showcase the beautiful trail system, all the flow sections as well as some of the tech sections that are available,
Around 80.
and take you on a loop.
The one benefit of single speed is you can you can really pick up pace from a standstill very quickly. I feel like all the cassettes, the derailleur, they add this unwanted mass which is suddenly gone, so it'll make you very fast. Whereas if you're really light and all your momentum is just put towards spinning the wheel. And of course the downside is you have these hills that you would easily clear on a geared bike, but you would actually stop on single speed, or you at least need momentum. Look at the trail, it's just beautiful. The mosquitoes and the gnats, they are starting to come out. Hey, yeah, we go left. And it should lead us to the orange trail. Look for the arrow and make a left. So everything on that side is conservation and this side is the orange trail. Okay, let's go. At the end of Orange Trail is a really nice feature, and even some, let me see if there's anybody, nobody. And at the end of the Blue Trail too, there are some really nice features. I'll show you what I mean when we reach there. It's not a really big trail, so in about 15-20 minutes we'll be there. Hello. We take a right and we keep going. Bend down, duck down, and keep going. Ow. All these thorns really get a bite out of you at this pace. Hello. Hello. Okay, nobody. Hello. Ow. Hello.
I don't think so. Prepared for both winter and summer. Yeah. It's going to be cold in the end.
So this is
Hello.
Piyush.
Thank you.
वाला करेंगे जो भी
Two ways to go down, one with the steps, the other this way. Let's make the least amount of mess by going that way. Okay, this is an interesting section. Pedal, 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 pedal. Almost. Check that out. Hello. Okay. Go slow here. Need to go slow here. There's just too many turns and foliage. I can't see anything. Okay, this is another nice thing. Now the steep bridge coming there. Hello. Okay, nobody. Hello. In the turn. I'm actually proud of that. Okay. We're pretty much back near the parking lot. One thing, we cannot bike here. Look for that sign. So now all of this paved or this sort of gravel here is actually a camp. It's a camp during World War II or World War I. It's actually quite fascinating, the history on this one. Yep, Camp Kilmer.